Alright, so for this video, I didn't think I had any more video ideas, but this one randomly popped up into my head. And this video is basically about, like, in my opinion, what is the greatest benefit about being Asogwe Vodou priest or Asogwe Vodou or a high priest or whatever. And in my opinion, the greatest benefit is basically the ability to learn everything. Like, as you guys may know, I was also Supwen, and when I was Supwen, I was unable to ask certain questions and receive certain answers because I just wasn't ready for certain information. But it's like now, as an Asogwe priest, I could literally ask any question, and as long as the person I'm asking the question trusts me enough to give me 100% honest answer, I will actually get that honest answer. And in my opinion, that is the best benefit about being Asogwe Vodou priest. Like, I literally know people who were Asogwe Vodou priests for like 15 years before me, 20 years before me, 10 years before me. And I could ask them any question and they're gonna tell me, for the most part, the correct answer. And if not, lead me towards the correct answer. And to me, that is the greatest benefit.